Hi everyone, it's Amber and thank you so much for joining me today on my channel. I've just been playing with some pretty fall paper and I've been wanting for years to make a bunch of library pockets. I think they're so cute, and especially with double-sided paper, I think they look so adorable. I love sending like flat mail little goodies to friends just in a card where it doesn't really cost a lot of extra postage, but you can just put a couple little goodies in there, maybe tuck a note in, and it's also something that you can add to your mini albums. You can like glue these into the pages or clip them in. You can decorate these as much as you want, but I just think it's so much fun to make a bunch of these with some double-sided paper, especially for fall. And I'm using the Falling Leaves paper pad. This is by DCWV, and in my last video I did a haul showing all the new paper pads that I bought. So if you missed it, go ahead and check that out. I'll link it below for you. But these are all the cute library pockets that I made, and I'm just going to show you them here. I think they're super cute. I loved working with this paper. I know you can kind of see them here, so I'll just kind of show you like this. And there's a little pocket right there, and then the backs are super cute too. So again, I'm going to show you what you can do to fill these with some goodies. But there's all these cute library pockets. So adorable. And let me show you how to make one of these. They're so easy. So all you need is a piece of scrapbook paper, and that is patterned cardstock. You just need one piece of scrapbook paper that measures 5 by 7. And this one's double-sided. You don't have to use double-sided, but if you don't, either this up here will be white or this piece here. So you can always decorate it by matting it with your other paper, but I just like the double-sided look. So to make one of these, it's so easy. You're just going to put this in your scoreboard. I've got it on the 5-inch side, and I'm just going to score it at 1/2 inch, and then at 4.5. So now you've got 2 1/2-inch score lines. Then turn it so the bottom is at the left, top is at the right, and score this at 2.5. Okay, so now we've got it all scored. I'm just gonna fold on all my score lines. Use my bone folder to crease those score lines. So I've got the 2 on the sides and then this one here. This goes super, super quick. Then you just need a pair of scissors, and on your piece now you've got all the score lines folded. So it kind of makes like this panel, this one, and this one. So you're just going to cut these 2 top panels off. So I'm just going to turn it around so I can see it better, and just take a pair of scissors and cut that off. But you're going to stop at that bottom score line and just cut that little skinny piece off. There you go. Do the same for this side. Okay, so now you want to decide whether you want the pocket to have this design or if you want it to be this way and have this design. I think I'm going to do it this way to where this is my pocket. So all I'm going to do is take my scissors again, and these flaps down here that are left, I'm going to actually cut at a little bit of an angle just so I can work with it better on the top and the bottom. Just like that, and like that. So now it's so easy. You just flip this up like this, and you turn it around, and these 2 flaps will get sealed just like that. So for this, you can use your ATG gun, you can use wet glue, you can use whatever you want to adhere those flaps down. So for this, I'm going to use my Scor Tape. I love this. It's my favorite adhesive. I'll link it below for you. So I'm just going to put it on the very edge of that flap, just like this. Same thing on this side. Just like that. And then just make sure you burnish it really well so that sticks to the paper. So now you just got to peel these up and close those little flaps. So first I'll do this one, and then that one. It's super, super easy. And here's our library pocket coming along really well. The last thing to do to make it look like a finished library pocket is you're going to round these two corners. So I'm going to take my We Are Memory Keepers corner chomper and use the 1/2 inch side and just round the corners. You can use whatever corner rounder you have. Okay, so here's all the library pockets again. Here's the one we just made. And what I did with some of the scraps of the paper is I cut down some little inserts. So these measure 3 3/4 by 4 1/4. So 3 3/4 wide by 4 1/4 tall. And I'm just going to mix and match these and put them in the cute little library pockets. I don't know if I made enough, all of them, but this one's my favorite print out of all of them. It's so pretty. So I'm going to put that one in the one we just made. And then I had some of these in my stash, and this is actually what inspired this project. I've had these cute library cards in my stash for I can't even tell you how long, and I've wanted to make some library pockets to go with them. So I had to cut them down just a little bit on the bottom, but I think they're super cute, and I'm going to stick one of those in there too to layer it. I think that's so adorable. Is I have this cut apart sheet from the collection, and I think that one of these inside there as well would look so good. I think I'm going to go for that one because it looks super cute right here. So I'm just going to cut that out. Here's the cute little journal card I'm going to use, and I think I'm going to round the corners to make it look a little more finished. So I'm using the 1/4 inch side now of my chomper here. So I'm going to stick that in there too. I think it's looking super cute. It's just, and then here's just another scrap I had left over from the paper. I'm just going to put it in my tag punch here. So any tag punch you have, or you can just cut a strip down. This is 2 by 4, and just cut the corners and punch a hole. I think that's just another cute little thing you can tuck in there. Maybe I'll tuck it back here. You could take some twine and wrap it around it. I think it just adds a little cuteness. Okay, so it's so adorable how it turned out. I really love it. I think this would be the cutest little pen pal gift. They could use this for memory keeping, or you could even clip this into like a junk journal or a mini album. This would be perfect for adding a photo on both sides and treating this as a photo mat. Then you could journal on the library card. You could stamp on this and like spray it with your sprays or tea dye it. Use this cute thing as a decorative little element on your page. And of course this beautiful piece you could also use as decoration or a photo mat as well on the back. But I just think it's such an adorable little compact gift or pouch or pocket or whatever you want to do with it. And you can do it so easily as I showed you. Just make a bunch of library pockets and fill them up with whatever you want. Okay, so I think I'm going to go ahead now and fill the rest of these up. still do have a couple left that I gotta cut down some photo mats for, but I finished all these and I think they're so cute. Here's the one that we did the tutorial for, and again there's a cute little journal card, a tag, a library card, and a photo mat. So I think these library pockets are so cute. You can put whatever you want in here. Throw some apple cider or some hot cocoa in there. And I think these make the cutest little gift or addition to your journal or mini album. So there's all the ones that I finished. I hope that you will give this a try. It's so fun. Use up a paper pad and just make a bunch of these assembly style like I did. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. I also just wanted to let you know that I'm stocking things in my Etsy shop almost every day. So I'm going to leave the link below to that if you want to check it out. I've got some handmade goodies in there and some other fun stuff. Thank you so much for your support. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you have a great weekend. I will see you in the next fall video very soon. Bye!